Hi, this is Stuart Shumway. This video clip explains graphing histogram data as a line chart in Google Sheets. Sometimes when you're looking at tons of data, it's good to look at it just a little differently, and different features pop out at you. I'll use some ACT data from San Juan High School students to kind of motivate this discussion. So I looked at the math and science ACT scores for 100 students. Didn't really see anything until I looked at it this way. The same type of data, but just instead of a bar, it's a line. And I see a little population here in the math around 25, and I see a population around 15, 16, 17. And then there's not as many people around 20. So there's kind of two populations of math scores. And I don't see that in the science scores. Well, turns out we have honors math courses and we do not have honors science courses. So that would be one explanation. However, there are other explanations. For example, reading scores don't have that as pronounced two groups, so maybe it's just the reading abilities that's causing that. But anyways, here's the English one where there are two groups. There are honors English courses. So anyways, having a reason to look at the data this way, let's go ahead and show you how to do it. Let's type in a cell here under math equals frequency. If I just start typing, then select, it says what data? Well, we want to go A2, the first column in math, to the last column in math, which would be A101, comma. So what classes are we going to use? Well, let's use ACT scores. They start at E2 and they go down to E31. But since I'm going to be doing that for science, English, and reading, I'm going to need to lock that E column with a dollar sign so that when I move over that stays, and now we can do that. Select the first cell, select the last cell, shift, and then click, and then we can drag over. Now we have science, English, and reading as well. So now we can insert a chart, and let's get rid of that. Oh, let's use the column E as a label. Anyways, that's just shows those two populations a little better. Maybe do some customizing if you smooth it, and if you want to take the series a little larger so you can see it a little better. Anyways, just looking at histogram data as a line chart in Google Sheets.